machine learning, what are the three things you work on? Historical data. What is historical data? Could be structured, could be unstructured. Then, based on that, you create some notion of a model, which is basically subscribing to what is the hidden truth inside the historical data. Then, once you do that, you throw away the historical data, right? You use only the model you extract it for future prediction or for future classification. But then, we also should know that if there is more historical data available, you will do a better model. Your performance will be better. The model you perform will be better. So, always in notion of ML, you need to understand that you historically keep on collecting data. You keep improving the model if you get more and more data so that your model accuracy is improved. It's not like one time you did it, done, your model is done. It's not always a good idea to stay at a past model which does not capture recent data. So at regular intervals, you have to run the model fitting, because the truth in the underlying data will have gone through something known as concept drift. What is concept drift? Concept drift means, suppose, let's take a very simple daily, what we do in terms of fashion trends. We bought certain kinds of popular dresses in the last quarter, based on some movies or some people popularly doing some dresses. But if you devise the model based on the trends of last quarter, and now this quarter again you want to create the model, do you think all the data which is coming in the new quarter is going to conform to the model which was built on last quarter's data? You start seeing failures. You will see frustration that is not capturing recent data. So this is an important thing, that you keep understanding the patterns in the data, and they keep evolving because of concept drift, and you constantly apply your new pattern to the old one. And you have to redo the whole thing. What is redoing the whole thing? Get the new data. Pre-process the whole data. Fit some new machine learning model on it. And then deploy the new machine learning model. Because it's retained on the newer data. So you need to understand that constantly improving with experience or historical data is a key necessity for any machine learning problem.